Question 2, what is the law of demand? And the law of demand states that there is an inverse relationship between the price of a good and the demand for it. This means that all else held constant, an increase in price will lead to a decrease in demand for that good. The ratio behind this is simple and natural to human behavior, of wanting to get the most benefit from the least cost possible. When the price of a good falls, it's cheaper and more affordable for many consumers and allows them to buy more units of the good for the same price. This will allow them to save their money for other expenses they may have. So I'm going to start us off here. We will draw our typical supply and demand graph. So we've got Q for quantity on our x-axis and P for price on our y-axis. We've got our supply curve sloping upwards and our demand curve sloping downwards. And the point where they cross is called the equilibrium, or the market clearing price. This is where the quantity supplied equals the quantity demanded. And here we get the equilibrium quantity on the x-axis, denoted Q star, and equilibrium price on the y-axis, denoted P star. So as far as the law of demand goes, we can see that if we have a high price, I'll denote that PH. If we have a high price, we're going to have a low quantity demanded. So maybe I'll make up an example out of thin air. Typically a snowblower is $300, and at this price, $300, we are in equilibrium, and they're selling 30 units, 30 snowblowers when it's $300. But say the company selling these snowblowers engages in price gouging right when there is a massive blizzard. So now everybody needs a snowblower, but this company is going to jack up the price because they know everybody needs a snowblower to get rid of the snow from this snowstorm. So say they raise it to $500. There's going to be a lot of people that say, oh, no, that's too much for a snowblower. And as a result, maybe they're only going to sell 10 units instead. Similarly, maybe it's in the summertime. There's a new model of snowblower coming in the next year, so they need to sell off their old snowblowers, so maybe they put them on sale. So as a result, maybe they lower the price to $200 for a snowblower. The price is lower, things are on sale, more people are going to buy it, so maybe they will sell 50 of them. We call this QL and PL. I guess I should also touch on the supply aspect of this example. So when the price is $500, we see that the quantity demanded is very low. But if you keep drawing this line over to where it crosses the supply curve, we see that the quantity supplied is quite high. So not a lot of people are demanding a snowblower, but there's a lot of them in the market, which means there's going to be a surplus. On the other hand, when the price is low like this, we see the quantity demand is quite high. There are 50 snowblowers being demanded, but it crosses the supply curve here. And the quantity being supplied is actually quite low. So in this case, we will have a shortage. Talking about snowblowers is probably the most Canadian example I could have come up with, but I think if anything I want to add to this answer.